Today guys, we're going to show you some toy trucks we found from some thrifting we've done. We found all kinds of different trucks, but we were lucky enough to find a bag of all these big monster trucks. Trucks are bigger, more powerful vehicles that we can use to carry things, people like our friends and family. You can use them to go on adventures like camping, to the beach, maybe hiking, or just getting around town. They can be very big and very loud and a whole lot of fun. Towards the end of the video, we'll show you pictures of our family's truck. In the meantime, enjoy! Well, that's it for this one, guys. And remember, help recycle by buying toys from the thrift store. And if you like what you saw today, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.